Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, welcoming everyone to my tutorial class. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching my videos where I have covered so many charts. We spoke about column diagram, we spoke about bar chart, we talked about pie chart, we talked about symbol map, we talked about field map, we talked about world crowd, we talked about pack bubble diagram. Oh my god, so much we have discussed. So I hope you have gone through all my videos. Guys, this is our 15th session. So last 14th session was quite interesting. So I hope you are enjoying watching them. So thank you for your precious time. Now let's talk about India map. So when we talk about Tableau, so in Tableau, you can work on different charts. We have installed by default 24 charts. Okay, so one of the chart here is the field map. I'm going to use field map, draw the chart of India. So for that, I'm going to use a data source of Excel. And here I'm going to use an MS Excel workbook called Indian State. Fine, everyone, good to go. So we have only one sheet, that is sheet state's name. So otherwise I don't have to drag it into the cloud. I just go to sheet one. If I go to the sheet one, what I need to do, guys, for working on India map, I'll go to the installs chart called field map. Now, if you go and see field map, you can see for drawing the India map, you need what? You need one geographical dimension. Okay, so here the geographical dimension, what I can speak about here, I'm going to use state as a geographical data type. Already I've spoken about data type. Okay, so don't tell me you don't know about data types. We talked about string, we talked about booleans, we talked about numbers, date time, spatial, geographical. We have spoken a lot about them. I have made a special video talking about these data types. So hope you are clear about this concept. So I'm going to use state as a dimension here. So with just an one geographical dimension, you can draw the field map diagram. But here, along with this state as a field map, as a state as a dimension, I'm going to use sales as a measure. Okay, everyone. So I just click on sales, press control, then I'll click on sales. Sorry, I clicked on state, then I press control, I clicked on sales. Then you can see a lot of charts become active. So what I'm interested for the field map diagram. And the moment it happened, now I can see the map of India in blue color. If you don't like blue color, you want to change the color for this, go to edit color. And here what you can do, you can just change this color. Whichever color is more convenient for you, you can do that. You're most welcome to do that. Okay, fine. Now you can see in this map of India, you can see other countries also, China, Afghanistan, Pakistan. If you don't want them to visible, just go to background layer and you just untick them. Okay, great. Now what I can do, just erase this, put state under levels so that you can see all the states. Great. Oh my God, this looks awesome. Then now guys, I can see the sum of sales in the pink color, light pink to dark pink. So darker pink talking about higher sales, while the light pinks, like you can see states like Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh or Ladakh or Arunachal Pradesh, you can see they have lower sales value, but Karnataka or Maharashtra or Himachal Pradesh, they have decent sales value. Fine. So you can understand this, but at the down, I can see two unknown. Click here, go to edit location, and these are talking about Indian state, but they have some problem. So this is my data, okay, and this is the matching location. Okay, so like it could not able to read the Dadar and Nagar Haveli, so you can just click on unrecognized, drop down arrow, And in case if you don't find Dadar and Nagar Haveli, you are most welcome to enter the latitude and longitude of Dadar and Nagar Haveli. You can do that. Don't tell me you are confused between latitude and longitude. Tell me what is prime meridian, what is GST. So you are more clear about this. So once you are done with this, in case if maybe certain union territories or state is not visible clearly, you can put the latitude and longitude here. But I'm lucky enough that it can show Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and this Puducherry, which is earlier known as Pondicherry. So I just go and click here. Done. So we are good to go. You can see these states here. Fine, and you have removed them. Certain time what happens, maybe if you are working in older version of Tableau, it may not recognize the complete India. Certain parts of Jammu and Kashmir, okay, and maybe Uttarakhand might not be visible. Under those scenario, you can go to file, then go to workbook local, and here click on English India. Okay, so that will solve your problem. Fine, everyone. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. Anyone, any question? You want to see the sales figure, you can put under levels so that you can see the sales figure here. Now, if I drag the profit under colors, so guys, you can see the movement if I put the profit under colors here. So here now the color pattern got changed because here now I want to make a comparison of sales and the profit here for these different states. Okay, now if I want to make a comparison of sales and profit, you can clearly see a change in coloring pattern from a dark orange to dark blue. Okay, so that represent like more blue color would be those states which have better profit, and those states which have less profit or loss, then it would be visible in orange or light yellow color. So you can clearly make a mark about them. Clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubt so far? Anyone, any question? Any question? Anyone you want to ask any question? Please ask questions. Fine. So you, if you want, you can click on presentation mode, and this will make the things looks much more better. Okay, you can save this work. Before you save your work, go to data source, change the connection to extract. Again, come to this sheet. Okay, again come to this sheet. Okay, and click on share. Change the location of the Tableau public. Click on connect. You can change the name of this workbook. Maybe you can put the name as India map, and then we are good to go. Your work will be saved in Tableau public. Make sure you don't save any confidential work. So once you create your account in Tableau public, so around 10 GB of space you'll get, which you can utilize for saving your details in the Tableau public in the cloud. Fine. Now, once you're done with this, what you can do, you can change the sheet name, guys. Sheet name I can change to India map. Fine. This I want to look much more better. I'll write India map. Select everything. Increase the font size. Background color. Press OK. Fine. Go to worksheet. Work show caption down. You can just write some details. India map. Fine. So all this you can do to decorate your work. The same thing what I've done, you can get the same thing if you just put your state under details. So you can see this, right? Same world map where the emphasis is on India. So you can see the dotted representation of these states, where these dots most probably represent their capital city. Okay, then you put sales under color. The moment you put sales under color, you can see the India completely in blue, light blue or dark blue pattern. Okay, then put state under levels. So now you can see all the states name. Okay, put color, go to edit color, change the color to whichever color you like. Okay, this is done. Then what we can do, you can probably mark symbols, whatever you can have. You can change the symbols. You can go here. You can just go and click on some symbols, circle or whatever you want. You can do that. And you want to remove your neighboring countries, you can go to map and go and change the background layers. You can do that. Fine, everyone. Anyone, any doubt, any question? So the same thing what you get here. Okay, the same thing if you want, you can click on states, you can click on sales, you can go to show me. Fine. So then the same thing you can get by clicking on this packed bubble diagrams. Okay, maybe I don't like this color. So you can change this color. Maybe I want to see the sales value. So put the sales under levels. You can see them. The sales value, you can see them under the packed bubble chart. Okay, the same thing what you saw in the packed bubble chart, you can see them in this sheet form. Okay, in text box format, in the text formats, you can see here. Now put the sales under color, put the profit under color. So you can see this. This will show the diagram where in this diagram you can see those states which have less profit. Probably that will be visible in orange or light yellow color. Clear, everyone? So I hope you enjoyed this class. So this was more or less as an interactive class where we try to understood how we can draw the map of or the diagram of India. Okay, how I can increase this size to make it looks better. Anyone, any question? Fine. So we are good to end this class. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you all very soon in the next class. Take care. Bye, everyone.